Guys, Nano Banana is a game changer right now. As you all know, when you try to use Nano Banana, you have been prompted to pay. Yes, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Nano Banana 100% free. Yes, at the end of today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to transform any image into a video. Yes, and it is completely free. Completely free. So now stick to the very end of today's video and I am going to teach you how to do it. Now let's hop to my screen and let's get started. How to access Nano Banana. So we want to access Nano Banana directly from this LM Arena. So because of that, just give me a moment. Let me pass through the verification check. This is LM Arena. As you can see, we have already signed in. And now one of the things you're going to do is that you're going to click, at first it is under battle, so you're going to change it to direct chat. Then you come down here, you're going to click on image. Normally this is how it is. So you're going to click on image. The moment you click on image, it's going to select Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview Nano Banana, as you can see that. So, and guys, this is amazing. You are going to use this place to generate images using Nano Banana, and it's completely free using prompt. Now, first of all, let's bring up our image, and let's bring up our image, an image of maybe now let's get this image of this couple. All right, so here is the image of the couple. After getting the image of the couple, now let's say now let's transform this image using the Nano Banana. As you can see, let's put in our prompt. Let's say couple holding hands along an open field. Along an open field. Now this is a short prompt. Now let us enter and see what we've got. Let's wait for LM Arena to process our image and transform it into what we want. So let us wait for it to process. So we're waiting for it to process. Guys, as you can see, this is completely free. As you can see, we are using Nano Banana right here. Yeah, right here, and completely free. Wow, guys, as you can see, this is beautiful. You can see our image has been transformed, and this is mind-blowing. You can see that this is mind-blowing. So now we can also make adjustment to this image, and now say I want make a fiery explosion. Now we're going to upload the same image. We're going to say you're going to say make fiery explosion behind the couples. Wow, guys, this is mind-blowing, and let's wait for the result and see what we've got. Let's wait for it. It's processing. As you can see, this is mind-blowing. You can use it to generate different things. Whatever thing you want to generate, you can use to generate all kind of images and different kind of images. As you can see, this is completely free. You can use LM Arena, use Nano Banana inside LM Arena. As you can see, wow, you can see the fiery explosion behind the couple. This is crazy. As you can see, this is crazy, guys. This is mind-blowing. So we can use LM Arena to generate image. I don't know, guys, but this is, for now, as this time of doing this video, this is completely free, but I don't know if it's going to be free forever. So I think for now it is completely free for everyone, but I don't know how it's going to be forever. So I don't know if it's going to be free forever. So that's one of the things. Now let's upload another image again. Let's do something. All right, now let's go to my images. Let me try to upload. Give me a moment. All right, let me go to my folder, Cardios. Let me upload this image. All right, let me upload this image. Okay, now I'm going to explain. I say make
him a burning flame, make his body burn it fiery or with flame. Okay, so you can make his body burn with flame. You can actually make adjustment to your prompt and make it, okay, make his entire body burn with flame over emitting or erupting black smoke. Okay guys, as you can see, very simple. It's black smoke. Now let's enter and see what Nano Banana will give us. This is crazy guys. So this is mind-blowing. Let's wait for it. So guys, as I was saying, Nano Banana can be used completely for free without, as you can see, you just sign up, just use it for free without thinking twice. You're not paying anything, you're not doing any other thing, but completely free for you to just use, as you can see. So you can bring different kind of images. I think something went wrong, maybe because of the size of my image or something, because it's a very large file, so it may be because of that. Okay guys, so now this is how you can actually use Nano Banana to generate image completely free. Okay, yeah, so this is how it is. Thank you. All right, now, and here is a final bonus tip I am going to teach you. So now, for us to convert this image, okay guys, all right, so for us to convert this image into a video completely free, you know, we can actually do this using Google VEO3, but now there is a better option and a completely free option that you can use to generate the video from this image. Now let us use this image to generate a video and see what we've got. Now let us download this image, or let's get this image. All right, so now the picture is already included in LM Arena, and it's very simple, very simple. Now converting this to image, what you're going to do is that you're going to move on to look at this. They say try on Discord. Can you see that? Try on Discord. You click on try on Discord, it's going to open Discord. So if you have not signed up on Discord, you are going to sign into Discord, and you click on try on Discord, and it's going to open up the space. Okay, to say accept invite. I'm going to accept the invite. Okay guys, let's wait for it to load. Okay guys, all right, so here we are on Discord, and this is the place we are going to convert the images we generated into a video. And here's a simple step to do that. Now when you come into, okay, now we are in this is the LM Arena platform on Discord. Now we are going to move on to Video Arena 3. Can you see that? You can choose any of the Arena 1, Arena 2, or Arena 3, but for today I'm going to choose Video Arena 3. And after choosing Video Arena 3, I am going to head on to look at this. You can see a lot of people are already generating videos from images using this platform. So for now, so when you come to where they say type message, you are going to click on slash, then you're going to select image to video. Then this will be open for you to select the image you want to convert to video. So you're going to select the image you want to convert to video. Let's say the image we just created. Let's move on to download button. Get to my download button. All right, here's the image. Then we open. So now here's the image. Now we need to convert. We need to generate the prompt. Okay, let's generate a prompt for it. So now I already have a prompt that I'm going to use. Let me get the prompt. Just give me a moment. Okay, all right, or in a simpler way, we can actually just type our prompt. You can see, say type prompt. Then we can ask you, say a couple holding hands holding hands, walking along a pathway, smiling and laughing heartily. Alright, so we got a prompt, and now we are going to use this prompt to generate our video. So now let's enter and wait for it to load. As you can see, guys, it's confirming generating videos. It's generating our videos already, and that is beautiful. You can see that. So we give it some time to generate the video. Say this can take up to 10 minutes. We will notify you when we are done. So what we have to do now is to wait for the video to be ready. Okay guys, as you can see, our video is fully ready. As you can see now, our video is ready, and let's play it and see what we've got. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Wow, can you see that? This is mind-blowing. So as you can see, this is just you can see this thing is completely free, and there is a logo at the end, that is to say that they are promoting their platform. So you can actually trim it. Yeah, you can trim it when you're using it for your video. You can actually trim it. So this is how to convert any image into video completely free. Look at how it feels natural, completely natural. Can you see that? This is mind-blowing. So you can decide to download it to your device, and then once it's downloaded to your device, you can now start using it in your project anytime you want. So this is how to use this platform completely free. As you can see, first of all, we generated images using Nano Banana for free, and now we convert it to video completely free. You can see that? It's mind-blowing, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys. Alright, so if you love this, please subscribe and turn on notification as more updates will be coming.